Here's something most barndominium builders won't tell you. You can spend months picking your floor plan, obsess over countertops, front door styles, exterior colors. But if you get the roof wrong, structurally wrong, none of that matters. It's not the classic gable, not the gambrel, not the hip roof. It's the modern single slope. And right now, structural engineers across the United States are recommending it more than any other barndominium design, not for aesthetic reasons, but for deep technical, structural ones. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why, and whether it's the right call for your build. Let's get into it. What is a modern single slope? First, let's make sure we're all on the same page. A modern single slope barndominium, also called a shed roof, skill-ion roof, or monopitch roof, is exactly what it sounds like. One continuous roof plane that slopes in a single direction from a higher wall on one side to a lower wall on the other. Now, historically, this design was considered too simple, too industrial, something you'd put on a storage shed, not a home. For decades, if you wanted a real house, you built a gable. But something changed when barndominium demand exploded. And according to the National Association of Home Builders, it surged dramatically starting around 2022 and held strong through 2025. Structural engineers started taking a hard look at what roof design actually performed best on wide-span steel frames. In side-by-side comparisons of gable, hip, and single slope profiles, the numbers kept pointing the same direction. The single slope dominated on load path efficiency, wind resistance, and snow performance. It wasn't the prettiest option on paper, but it was consistently the smartest. Here's why. And if you've never heard the structural breakdown before, stick with me, because point 2 is the one that surprises most people. The structural argument, why engineers love it. Structural engineers evaluate roofs on one thing above everything else: how forces move through your structure. Wind load, snow load, lateral pressure, and load path. How stress travels from roof to foundation. Point 1, simplified load path. A single slope roof has one of the cleanest, most predictable load paths in residential construction. No valleys, no ridgeline intersections, no complex hip connections. Just one plane transferring load in one direction. Every intersection point in a roof system is a potential weak spot. Every valley is where water, ice, and structural stress collect. The single slope eliminates most of those complications by design. In a steel frame barndominium, spanning 40, 60, sometimes 80 feet without interior columns, a simple, unified load path isn't just elegant, it's essential. And if the load path argument alone wasn't enough, the wind resistance data is where it gets really interesting. Point 2, wind resistance. Wind doesn't just push on a building, it wraps around it. It creates uplift, negative pressure that literally tries to pull your roof off. Engineers calculate this using ASCE 7 standards, the nationally recognized code for wind load analysis. What they found: a well-designed single slope roof, properly oriented relative to prevailing wind direction, dramatically reduces uplift forces. The angled surface redirects wind flow, reducing the pressure differential between windward and leeward sides. Compare that to a traditional gable, more abrupt geometry, significant uplift at the ridge, especially in high wind zones like the Gulf Coast, the Great Plains, and tornado-prone regions of the Midwest. In 2018, Hurricane Michael devastated sections of Florida and Georgia. Barndominiums engineered with clean load calculations and simple roof geometries survived largely intact. Those with complex roof forms and inadequate wind detailing did not. That's not a coincidence. That's physics. And here's where it ties directly into the question most northern builders are already asking. What about snow? Point 3, snow load performance. If you're building in a snow zone, anywhere from the upper Midwest to Mountain West to New England, pitch is not a cosmetic decision. It's a survival decision. Wet, compacted snow can reach 30 to 70 pounds per square foot. On a wide-span barndominium roof, that adds up fast. The single slope's advantage: Consistent, uninterrupted pitch means snow slides off cleanly in one direction, rather than accumulating in valleys or drifting against vertical ridges. There's also drift loading, wind moving snow across a roof and piling it unevenly, sometimes doubling or tripling the localized load in specific areas. In gable and hip roofs, drift zones form behind ridges and at valley intersections. Those loads can be catastrophic if unaccounted for. With a single slope, drift dynamics are more predictable, easier to engineer around, and produce safer outcomes with fewer structural variables. This is why northern state engineers don't recommend single slope just for aesthetics. They recommend it because the math is cleaner, and cleaner math means safer buildings. But here's the part of this story that even surprised the engineers themselves. The design bonus, what engineers didn't expect. The structural advantages came with an unexpected architectural payoff. Because one wall is significantly higher than the other, you gain an entire exposed wall surface at the high end. Smart designers turned that wall into something remarkable, a continuous band of high-set windows. Clear-story glazing that pulls natural light deep into the interior. Think about what that means inside your home. The ceiling rises toward the back. Light floods in from above at an angle that illuminates the entire room without harsh glare. Studies consistently show natural light improves mood, boosts productivity, regulates sleep, and makes spaces feel dramatically larger. What started as a structural necessity became a living experience. The mono-pitch vaulted ceiling creates a sense of openness and direction that a flat or symmetrically peaked ceiling simply can't replicate. It draws your eye. It allows clever interior zoning without walls. The high side naturally becomes the living and entertaining area. The lower side, intimate and quiet, works perfectly for bedrooms, bathrooms, and storage. This wasn't planned. It's a gift from the geometry. If you're finding this level of breakdown useful, hit subscribe, because we go this deep on every barndominium decision you'll face. Now let's talk about something becoming more critical every year: the energy and future-proofing argument. The single slope roof is, almost by accident, one of the best solar-ready designs in residential construction. South-facing roofs with a pitch between 30 and 40 degrees are ideal for photovoltaic solar performance. A single-slope barndominium can be oriented during design, so the entire roof face captures maximum southern sun exposure. No obstructions, no ridgeline shadows, no north-facing section wasting real estate. Just one large, uninterrupted surface aimed precisely where it needs to be. A typical 2,000 to 3,000 square foot barndominium can accommodate a 6 to 15 kilowatt solar system, enough to offset most energy consumption or achieve near off-grid independence with battery storage. At current federal incentive levels, including the 30% residential clean energy credit, the payback period can drop to 6 to 7 years. After that, it's your money. Cool metal roofing already saves 7 to 15% in energy costs through solar reflectance alone. Paired with spray foam insulation and a high-efficiency heat pump system, a modern single-slope barndominium built to current standards can be one of the most energy-efficient dwellings at any price point. This matters for your utility bills, for resale value, for your property's relevance in a market increasingly rewarding energy-conscious builds. A properly built, solar-ready, single-slope barndominium isn't a trend property. It's a forward-thinking investment. And before I give you my final take, I promise you honesty. So let's talk about what the single slope doesn't get right. The honest truth, what you still need to know. I'm not going to stand here and tell you the single slope is perfect for every situation. That's not how real engineering works. There are real considerations. Drainage. All water and snow runoff concentrates on one side. Your gutter system on a low-side eave must be properly sized and maintained. Undersizing that gutter is one of the most common and costly mistakes single-slope owners make. Design it right from day one, not a problem. Ignore it, water issues guaranteed. Local zoning. Some municipalities restrict single-slope structures, particularly in areas with heritage preservation codes or HOA regulations. Always check local codes before you design. Always visual scale. on a very large footprint. A single slope can look imposing. Your architect needs to consider how the massing reads in the street and whether porches, overhangs, and material variation break up the visual weight. Engineering is non-negotiable. The single slope is structurally advantageous, but only when properly engineered. Your structural drawings must account for your wind speed maps, geographic snow load zone, soil conditions, and local building code. Engineers must be licensed in your state. Drawings must be stamped. Permits must be pulled. A barn built without engineering calculations is not a barndominium. It's a liability. The real reason engineers keep recommending it. So, why do structural engineers recommend the modern single slope? Not because it looks modern, though it does. Not because it's trending, though it is. They recommend it because when you sit down with the numbers, when you model wind loads and snow loads and load paths, when you account for wide clear spans and steel frame dynamics and real-world weather events, this design consistently performs. Most structurally predictable, fewest failure points, best solar geometry, and as a bonus, it rewards you inside with space, light, and a feeling that's hard to put into words, but impossible to forget once you've experienced it. The best barndominiums being built right now. The ones still standing beautifully in 50 years, appraising strong, selling fast, living better. Many of them share one thing, a single slope roof. Now you know why. If this gave you real value, hit that like button and subscribe. We go this deep on every video. Drop a comment below telling me what roof style you're considering for your build. I read every single one. And if you haven't seen our breakdown on barndominium foundation systems, it's right here. Because after the roof, the foundation is the next biggest engineering decision you'll make. See you in the next one.